Hello, today we're going to be making chocolate truffles. Start by melting your chocolate over a bain-marie until it's nice and smooth and shiny. Prepare your chocolate moulds and pour the chocolate into the moulds and tap to remove any air bubbles. Level off with a palette knife, and I like to leave mine for a couple of minutes to get thicker walls of my truffles. Then pour out any excess back into the bowl. Now for the fillings. This is strawberries that I rinsed off and then cooked in a saucepan over a low heat, then added white chocolate to the mix. Then I run the mixture through a sieve. I know this bit doesn't look particularly nice, but you're left with a nice silky smooth strawberry cream that you leave to set in the fridge for a few minutes before piping into moulds. Here is how I made my chocolate ganache. I put 300 grams of chocolate chips in a bowl and heated up 300 millilitres of double cream in a saucepan and poured the double cream over the chocolate chips and stirred until I got a nice silky smooth mixture. Here you can add flavourings if you wish. Pipe your desired filling into your moulds, then top with chocolate and leave to set in the fridge. Here are some examples of mine. This rose one was filled with strawberry cream. These were filled with hazelnut and a plain truffle. And these truffles were flavoured with orange and topped with white chocolate. Now have fun creating your own kind of truffle.